As a content creator, tax season can be one of the most stressful times of the year. Most creators miss out on thousands in deduction because they don't have a system. But here's what's crazy. You can create a complete tax organization system in just 6 steps. It's going to save you a headache later with the IRS and money. Step 1, set up a business bank account. You would only need an EIN number, which you can get for free at the irs.gov website. Step 2, you're going to track every single income source from brand deals, affiliate links, platform payouts. Okay, and I'm going to break that step down into 4 hacks. When you save your income from all sources, you're going to first write the date, you're going to write the amount, and you're going to categorize where you got the income from. Was it YouTube? Was it TikTok? Okay, and then the 4th one is any notes for yourself. That information is going to help you because I left a free content creator money tracker, Google Sheets, which is like it's a mini bookkeeping setup specifically for content creators. And it's going to do all the work for you. It's going to keep track of income, expenses, and it's going to be able to tell you the monthly profit. Did I mention it's free? Categorize your expenses monthly so you're not scrambling at the end of the year. Step 3 is keep track of your expenses, which I'm going to break that down into 4 simple steps. Date. What date did you incur this expense? The amount. The category. Was it from subscriptions like CapCut, Canva? Was it a tripod? And then the last one, the 4th one, is notes. Okay, so that's going to be those 4 categories that will be in that free content creator tracker for you. And again, you're going to want to do this on a month-to-month basis. Step 5, you're going to want to meet with the tax pro at least once a year. I advise tax pro once you're actually making at least $10,000 or more, but it doesn't hurt to meet with one beforehand. And make sure that they understand creator taxes. Step 6, you're going to want to set aside anywhere from 20 to 30% for tax time. If you think you'll owe $1,000 or more, before you pay taxes, I'm going to break that down into 3 steps. First, before you set aside 30 to 40%, right? 20 to 30%, did you make money? Because we don't want to pay the IRS before we know what we actually owe them. You never want to pay the IRS more. So ask yourself, how much money did you make? Did you deduct expenses from that money? Okay, how much is left over? That last part of how much is left over is going to be the amount that you're going to go off of as far as you paying taxes. That's the end of the 6 steps. So now that we have the steps out the way, you want to think as your content creating business as a business, not just a side gig. When you post photos or videos, you're actually running a mini media company. Going back to the brand deals, affiliate links, any ad revenue, those are all income streams that the IRS expects you to track. And those expensive cameras, props, editing tools. But here's the thing, you need proof of everything when tax time hits. I want you to ask yourself, are you ready for the first big change that will transform your tax situation? The content creator world has completely exploded, making millions of people into self-employed business owners overnight. So platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok are now sending out tax forms, and they're sending out more than ever. We can't learn this thing in a playbook because the content creation is so new, the requirements of reporting it is new, which making it harder to fly under the radar. But don't stress, this actually works in your favor if you're organized. Being recognized as an actual business means that you can take certain write-offs that a hobby business couldn't. Also, in the description, I have one free resource, Content Creator Money Tracker. It's going to be able to tell you your income, your expenses, and how much that you profited. It comes with 3 tabs. It does all the work for you, but the future is looking even brighter for content creators. And imagine AI tools that automatically categorize expenses from your bank accounts. And apps that scan your receipts. AI has made it so simple. Imagine a tool where all you need to do is track the date you incurred the income or the expense and what categories they're in. I've said in other videos, I have been doing taxes for 5 years now. Currently am in school in progress to become an EA. My content creation journey is to help you guys genuinely. No fluff. I'm not trying to agitate the situation to get you to buy anything. I am simply just making content myself and want to make sure that you guys are prepared for this upcoming tax season. And if you're a beginner, that free tracker is perfect. It tracks income, it tracks expenses, and it's going to give you the monthly totals. Rinse and repeat. Let me know if you guys like this video. Tell me what you guys would like me to cover in the next one. I love making videos like this. I hope y'all like these too. I am not gatekeeping anything. Definitely making sure I give you all of the information to help you. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you.